In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten page length on your Wix website. If your Wix page feels too long because of extra blank space, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix inside the Wix editor. And in most cases, you won't need to redesign anything. The main goal is to either reduce the height of a section that has too much empty space, or remove a section completely if it's no longer needed. To get started, open your page in the Wix editor so you can see the layout clearly. Once you are on the page you want to adjust, look for the specific section that has extra blank space. This is often an area where the content doesn't fill the full section height, leaving a large empty gap above or below your text, images, or buttons. Click directly on that section to select it. When the section is active, move your attention to the bottom border of the section. There, you should see the Adjust Section Height handle, which appears as a double-sided arrow icon. This is the control you'll use to resize the section vertically. Click and drag that handle upward to reduce the section's height. As you drag, you will notice the page length decreases in real time, which makes it easy to see exactly how much space you are removing. Try to drag slowly, so you can stop when the section looks balanced and your content still has enough breathing room. You want the page to feel tighter and cleaner, but not cramped. If you find that an entire section is completely blank and serves no purpose, you can remove it instead of resizing it. Simply click the empty section to select it, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can also right-click on the section background and choose Delete from the menu. This is especially helpful if leftover sections were added during editing and are no longer part of your design. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the overall flow of the page. Shortening unnecessary space can make your website look more polished and professional. And it can also help visitors find your content faster without scrolling through empty areas. Once you've finished adjusting or deleting the extra sections, your page should look much more compact and intentional. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.